Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step 10 very useful hidden features on Samsung Galaxy A07. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Enable Edge Lighting Style. Open the Settings app and scroll to Notifications. Tap Notifications pop-up style and then choose Edge Lighting Style. This feature makes incoming notifications light up the edges of your screen with beautiful animations. You can customize the color, transparency, and lighting effect for a stylish look every time you receive a message or alert. Method 2. Use the Circle to Search feature. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Display, then scroll again and open Navigation bar, then locate Circle to Search and switch it on. To use it, press and hold the navigation bar icon. Draw a circle around any text or image on your screen, and Samsung will instantly show search results, perfect for quick information without opening a browser. Method 3. Activate the Edge panel. Head to Settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Display, then scroll and go to Edge Panels and turn it on. Swipe inward from the side of the screen to open customizable panels. Add shortcuts for apps, contacts, weather, tools like a ruler, or even a clipboard for quick multitasking. Method 4. Turn on Do Not Disturb mode. Go to Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Notifications, then open the Do Not Disturb. Toggle it on to silence calls, messages, and app notifications. You can schedule quiet hours for bedtime or meetings and allow exceptions for favorite contacts or repeat callers, so important messages still get through. Method 5. Hide apps. Navigate to the Settings menu, scroll down and open Home screen, and then scroll again and tap Hide Apps on Home and App screens. Select the apps you want to hide and tap Done. The apps stay installed but disappear from view, ideal for privacy or keeping your screen clutter-free. Method 6. Activate Dual Messenger. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Then scroll down and open Dual Messenger. Select apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, or Snapchat to create a second copy so you can log in with 2 different accounts at the same time. This is perfect for keeping work and personal chats separate. Method 7. Enable Developer Mode. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap on About Phone. Then go to Software Information. Tap Build Number 7 times. Enter your phone password or PIN when prompted. Developer Mode unlocks advanced options like USB debugging, animation speed adjustments, and background process limits for improved performance. Method 8. Set battery charge limit. Go to Settings, then scroll down and tap Battery. Then scroll down in Battery Protection, enable it, and set a maximum limit like 90%. This prolongs battery lifespan by preventing overcharging. Method 9. Activate Always On Display. Go to Settings, then scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD, then go to Always On Display. Enable it to show the time, date, battery percentage, and notifications even when your screen is off. You can also customize clock styles, colors, and brightness. Method 10. Customize lock screen in Settings. Then scroll and open Lock Screen in AOD. Then tap on the Edit Lock Screen and then wait a few moments to open it. You can change the clock style, add widgets, or apply a new wallpaper. This allows you to personalize your phone's first impression with unique designs and quick access tools. These 10 hidden Samsung Galaxy features can truly upgrade your daily phone experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.